teachers, I'm teacher Abby and welcome to our class. It's been a long time since I haven't made a tutorial for you about Class In. So this is going to be a new one and interesting. I will teach you how to make your customized EDB file activity for your students. So as you can see here on our screen, we have a lot of images. We have some fruits and few vegetables, and there's one basket on that corner. So in this activity, I want my student to put all the fruits that they can see, and yeah, they have to put them in the basket. Like for example, they can put grapes, watermelon, apple, and only fruits. They shouldn't put any vegetable in the basket. So you have to explain and tell your students what they're going to do. Well, if you will ask me where do I get these clip arts or images, that's very simple. You just have to open your Google and I will show you how. So let's look for a potato. Make sure that the image of your potato clip art has a transparent background to make it more presentable and clear. So I want this one. No. Let's try to click animated. Let's look for a potato without, eyes. I want to... Okay, let me find a good one. Okay, I think this can do. Okay, well, I think it's not. Well, this picture, it has white background. It has no transparent background. So let's look for another one. How about this one? Let's check if it has a transparent background. I think it has no transparent background. Let's try this. My internet is a little slow, so let's just wait for a moment. Okay, I think this is perfect. Yeah, this one. Oh, so this is a good example. So as you can see, okay, it has a transparent background. You will know that it has a transparent background once you see this image. So what you have to do is to copy the image and then go to the chat box and then click. This is the actual size, so we have to resize it. There you go. And then resize it if you still want to. Now, all the images are here. So what I have to do is to go on the basket. So if you want this image to stay right here without moving, you have to lock it. How to do that? So as you can see, we have here the sign of lock. So just lock it. So the student cannot move it, once he's here on this EDB file. So I will just put all the fruits in the basket and he's done. Okay. Then you can also ask him to name all the fruits that he's putting in the basket. Now, how to save this file? What we have to do is to go right here. Okay, click this teaching tool and then go to this one, save Word file. Okay, you will see here a prompt. It says save file, save to local, save to cloud disk. So I can actually save this to cloud disk. You can choose. You can save to local or you can save to cloud disk. And then I can actually rename this EDB file. You see, at the end of it, it has EDB. So you will just think of a name, think of a title for this activity. Naming fruits. And then it will be saved in my cloud disk folder. Remember that. Comprehension of, what's this? Comprehension according to actual display. Well, just disregard this information and then click confirm and this file will be saved. That's it. Naming fruits EDB. Now, once you see this information, upload success, just click this one, and then let's go at the top. Let's try to remove everything here. Okay, delete it. Oh, let's delete. And then let's go to my cloud disk. Let me check if that activity was really saved or not. Okay, here it is. So you will see a logo right here. It says here EED. Actually, this is the EDB file. So you see that we have naming fruits, EDB. Click it. And then what happened? Okay, that's it. Okay, so all the fruits are here. So you see, all the fruits can be moved anywhere because we didn't lock them at the first place. So once the images are here, you can start the activity with your student. Tell him what to do. You can say, can you see all the fruits here? I want you to put all of them in the basket. So try to put the orange, grapes, watermelon, apple, banana, lemon. Okay, and then when the student is curious about these images, try to tell him what these are. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helps you on making an EDB file. Thank you so much. Happy teaching!